Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password for Imprint application. If you're trying to log into your Imprint account, but you found out that you've forgotten your password, then here is how you can easily reset to a new one. In the login page, go ahead and tap on Forgot Password link at the bottom of the screen. Now, enter your valid email address for your Imprint account on the next field. Once you are done typing in your email, tap on the Reset Password button at the bottom and you will now receive an email with a link to reset your password. Go ahead and open your email application or log into your email inbox on a website and then open up the email from Imprint. Simply go ahead and open up your email and then you will receive a Reset Your Password link from Imprint. Tap it open and tap on Reset Password and select a web browser from the list. You will then need to enter the new password on the next page. Create a password which will be easier for you to remember next time you log in and tap on Save. You can now sign in with your new password on your Imprint application. Go ahead and enter your email and then type in your newly created password in the password text box. Tap Login and you have now successfully logged in with the new password. So that is how you can easily get inside your Imprint account even if you've forgotten your password during logging in. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.